Whoa, is your leg hurt? Come here. Come here, Topper. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Clayton J and Topper J. We're back from the interview. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Topper's acting crazy right now because I just gave him a bath. What up? You just got a bath, didn't you? So it's breakfast, but I'm making, what is it called again? Country fried steak. Well, I'm not making it really. I'm just like, it's just like a frozen thing that I put in there. And I'm making some potatoes. Well, I'm not making, I wouldn't call them making, I'm just using that kind of potatoes. But yeah, that's what I'm having. Topper, I tried to clean him up just because he got a doctor's appointment today, so I wanted him to smell good. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Yeah. He's fast as fuck. So, I got my food. This is it. Topper. We're at the doctor's now. He's getting a checkup. Yeah, buddy. Topper. Hey, buddy. He's 8.4 pounds. Big boy. Big boy. Yeah. Oh, he likes water now? That's my boy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ready, buddy? Go get it. Topper, come here. Good boy. Oh, right here. He might be able to swim a little bit. Come here, Topper. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. A little bit. Let's go, buddy. Look, I'm in the water. And there's Top over there. He's like, I am avoiding all possibility. Come on, get to me, buddy. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on. You're gonna have to swim, probably. Come on, Tops. God, he's so fast. Come up, Top. Come here. Come here, buddy. Guys, look. Topper has been sleeping since we got home. Look at the boy. Oh, he woke up. Hey, buddy. You tired? Yeah, you tired? Yeah? You going back to bed? He likes it right there because then he just looks out the window. That's why I have it open just a little bit. But he likes to look out the window. You tired, buddy? Yeah, it's fine. You can go to bed. You can go to bed. Sorry, I woke you up. I woke him up. I'm over here making my chicken fajitas. Yeah. All right, guys. Food is done. This is it. Putting it on. I'm gonna probably have two. This is how they look. Wow. Wow. And what I'm drinking today, I did buy some of these. I used to drink these all the time. Bought some of these at the store. Changed it up a bit. Got some peaches too. Let's get Toppy. Let's get him a treat since he's been a good boy. You want a treat? I know you do. You always want a treat. This is his area over here. Toppy's area. We're gonna give him this one because I think it takes him the longest to eat. give him this one. Sit. Whoa, is your leg hurt? Come here. Come here, Tapper. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. You okay? What the hell? We just went to the fucking doctors. Whoa. Come here. Come here. Wait, are you walking on it now? Dude. You okay? He's walking on all his legs now. I'm guessing he's just sore from all 3 shots. Because she did say that he might be sore for a while. Topper, you doing okay? Oh, don't be jumping on a limpy leg. Come here. Guys, we're all good. Look, Topper's using all his legs. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come up here, Topper. Come here. Yeah, it's just because he had like 3 shots, 2 in the back leg butt area, and then 1 up here. And I'm guessing it's just sore. But he's jumping and doing everything. But dude, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, in your water bowl. And you're eating now. Yep, got it straight in that water bowl. Hey. Alright. Yeah, it's the next day. And yeah, it's 7:45. 7:45. I'm literally gonna eat and then go to work. Well, I go to work at 9, so I have a bit. But Toppy woke me up. Actually, I'm trying my best to slowly wake up. I'm trying my best to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, but I'm working my way up there. I'm not gonna wake up right there, so I set my alarm for 6:40, but Topper woke me up way before then, so it's fine. This right here is my alarm clock. Get yourself one of these. But he's so good at being, like, he's just so calm. Like, he doesn't touch me until he sees, like, my eyes are awake. Then he's like, Dad's awake. Even though that doesn't mean I'm awake.